Welcome. This video introduces regular expression, also known as Regex Testing Tools, interactive platforms that can help you with pattern development. We will be taking a look at a couple of tools here. First, regex101.com, a comprehensive testing tool that provides explanations, and second, regexr.com, which offers real-time pattern visualization. Why should you use regular expression testing tools? Well, there are a couple of reasons. First, they offer instant testing. You can test patterns immediately against sample text with real-time feedback. Second, you can debug complex patterns, visualizing matches and identifying issues in those complex regular expressions. Let's take a look at regex101.com. Regex101.com offers detailed explanations, providing a step-by-step breakdown of how your regular expression pattern works. It also supports multiple flavors, including PCRE, JavaScript, Python, and other regular expression engines. Here are some key features of regex101.com. On the left is a sample pattern. It starts with a caret, followed by a character class that includes lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, 0 to 9, a period, an underscore, a percentage sign, a plus sign, and a hyphen. That's followed by a plus sign, then an @ symbol, then another character class that includes lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, 0 to 9, a period, and a hyphen, followed by a plus sign, then a backslash period, and then another character class that includes lowercase a to z and uppercase a to z with a length of 2 or more, then a $sign. This regular expression can be used to validate the format of an email address. A test string of user@example.com would be considered valid, but invalid.email would be considered invalid. On the right, some additional features include the ability to save and share patterns, substitution testing, performance metrics, and match highlighting. Let's move on to regexr.com. Regexr.com offers real-time testing, giving instant visual feedback as you type your pattern. It also has a very clean visual interface, making it easy to use and offering clear syntax highlighting. Here are some key features of regexr.com. The regular expression shown on the left starts with a \b, then a \w, then a length of 4 or more characters, and ends with a \b. This pattern will match any word boundary, followed by a word with 4 or more characters, followed by a word boundary. So, in the test text, this is a sample text with various word lengths. For testing, the word sample text with various word lengths and testing would all be highlighted. On the right, unique advantages of regexr.com include a built-in reference guide, community examples, expression breakdown, and a mobile-friendly design. Here are some other notable regular expression tools you might want to consider. First, regexbal.com, which offers a simple lightweight testing interface, and second, regexbuddy, a desktop application and professional regular expression development tool. Here are some best practices for regular expression testing. First, test edge cases, including empty strings, special characters, and boundary conditions. Second, use diverse test data, including real-world examples and various input formats. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.